Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Electrasavvy. Now, right from the start, if you actually try to go to their website, this pops up. As you can see, we wait for it to load, and as you can see, your connection is not private. Attackers might be trying to steal your information from electrasavvy.com. So, please do not go to their website is not secure. So, why would a company website not be secure? So that means it contains very malicious software. And if you actually go here to their Trustpilot reviews, they're rated poor. They're rated 2.6 out of 5 stars. And basically, they're saying that it is not legit, blah blah blah, in all different languages. And if you actually go here to Electrasavvy, let me just reject this. So basically, people are saying that do not waste your money, blah blah blah. And they advertise this also this user also the most popular review is rated 1 star. Basically, it was unique, would save you money, was not available. When I received, you could buy 2 including postage for £8, so that's 4.2 each. Rip off merchants. And when the device plugged in, no change at all. So basically, this website is a scam. So, and this app is a scam. This product is a scam. So please do not invest into it. It is a scam. So that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.